Good morning, boys and girls. This week's lesson is called Search Shark by Common Sense Education. And our essential question this week to think about as we complete this lesson is, why is it important to choose the right keywords when you search online? Our objectives are to learn how keywords can help find information online, to evaluate keywords for their relevance and helpfulness, and to practice identifying the most effective keywords for different search scenarios. Our key vocabulary for this week is the word keyword, a word you use to search for information about a topic. Let's give it a try. You're going to watch this video clip and it's going to show some keywords. See how many keywords it takes for you to figure out what is it I'm searching for. The first keyword is the. Does that give you any ideas what I'm looking for? Not really. How about the word and? Are you able to narrow down the search for what I'm looking for? Let's try the word by. So we have the, and by. Not so helpful. Let's try the word book. Oh, okay, I'm looking for a book. There are lots and lots of books. How about the word wizard? Okay, a book about a wizard. I know some books about wizards. Hogwarts, now I know. I know what I'm looking for now. If you haven't figured it out, this last one maybe should give you the final clue, scar. So I'm looking about a book with the words wizard, and I know it has Hogwarts and a scar. Were you able to figure out? I was looking for Harry Potter. I was. And this works with any type of search. Using words like the and, they don't really help narrow down the search, but using some special keywords like Hogwarts, wizard, scar, you knew right away I was looking for Harry Potter. Let's take a look at Solomon and his story about internet searching.
Baseball is one of my favorite sports. My favorite team is the San Francisco Giants. I also like to play with my friends on the weekends. My favorite position is playing third base, but lately I've been more interested in pitching. My dad recommended I do some research online about pitchers. I wanted to find out which pitcher had the record for the most no-hitters. That's when a pitcher allows no hits during their entire baseball game. I typed in the word pitcher, and I got a ton of stuff. The first few links were ads for glass pitchers. There sure are a lot of stores that sell them. Who knew? But that wasn't what I was looking for. I clicked on another link. It had lots of information, but I didn't find anything on no-hitters. So I decided to try a different search. I typed in the main words, pitcher, record, no-hitter. I saw a couple fan sites. One guy said a no-hitter was when you don't feel like playing baseball, so you decide not to hit. Another boy said he had the record for the most no-hitters, but it turned out he was in Little League. I also saw a Wikipedia page and clicked on it. It said that Nolan Ryan holds the record for the most no-hitters. I wanted to make sure it was correct, though. So I went back to the search page and saw links to Major League Baseball and to the National Baseball Hall of Fame. I clicked on both of those because they seemed like sites I could trust. It turns out Nolan Ryan does have the record. What I am beginning to realize is that there's a lot of amazing information online. Some of it is good, some not so helpful. Now I know that the best way to search online is to use the right words and to visit sites that I can trust. Otherwise, I might be reading about a glass pitcher pouring water for a bunch of no-hitters.
I wonder if you guys have had that happen to you too, like Solomon, having a really hard time trying to find information because you don't have the right keywords. So let's review. Why is it important to choose the right keywords? Well, some words have multiple meanings. To find the information you want, you need to choose your keywords carefully. What are some things to remember when you choose keywords? Avoid using words like in or and. The best keywords are often found in your questions. Put quotation marks around words if you want to search for them together. And what is one tip about online searching that you will share with your family? Maybe you can help someone at home. Time to practice. As always, you can choose the language. If you know your username from a previous game, you can type that in here. Or if you can't, you simply just need to do a new game. So I can't remember mine, so I'm just going to make up a new name. It says the internet is deep and filled with treasures, just like the ocean. Searching online can be tricky if you don't use the right keywords. Do you think you can find what you are looking for? You want to find the longest river in China. What keywords would you use? Click on the fish to add their keywords to your search. Catch the 3 best keywords and phrases, or you might make Surfshark sick. If you forget the question, click on the help hook up at the top. If you see bonus guppies, click on those. So let's see, I see the word big, water, oh, China, but that's a good keyword. Oh, chomp those guppies. Eat up all the guppies. Okay, so longest. Let's see if that's a good word. The guppies. Mississippi, no, I think that's a river in America. Oh, river. Eat these guppies. That's a lot of guppies to eat. And so what will happen is you'll get another search and you'll have to pick those keywords and you will go on and you will play the game. And as always, if you like these games, you can go back into Google Classroom and pick up on any of the previous games that we have shown you. Good luck, and you can reach out to me with any questions. Have a great week, and I hope to see you on our Zoom meeting today, actually. Talk to you later. Bye.